Hi everyone, Vince here. Today I'll be showing you 11 applications that I found were the easiest to earn money online with in 2022 so far. I hope you enjoy. Let's kick this off. The first application is the Mode Earn app. Now, Mode Earn allows you to earn real-life money and rewards just by listening to music. Not only that though, you can earn by completing surveys, playing games, completing offers, and also entering into giveaways, but they also allow you to earn cashback rewards or even discounts on popular shops around the world if you use them through the Mode Earn app. Definitely probably one of the most simplistic applications to use. Now, Mode Earn generally pays within 1 week, guys. That's at least in my experience here in Australia. Mind you, every application on this list is going to change based on the country you live in, so please keep that in mind. Next up, we have Scratch Cards Pro. Scratch Cards Pro to me really did surprise me because at first glance, I literally thought this was another fake money-making application. But once I actually tried it, I was pleasantly surprised to see that yes, you can actually earn PayPal currency just by scratching cards and playing games. Now, the way their system works is that you actually have to play the third-party games on their application. So it's a playtime reward app. Even though they do have the scratch card element where you scratch cards to apparently gain better rewards on the app, what ends up happening is that you need to earn vouchers to actually be able to redeem your PayPal currency, okay? But the good news about Scratch Cards Pro is that it did pay me within 2 days of asking for my multiple cash outs. So that's why it's on this list, and it was very straightforward. I just quickly wanted to say, if you're enjoying my content, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my free newsletter. You guys are helping me get to 100k subscribers. Thank you so much. Next up, we have Winwalk. Winwalk to me is absolutely fantastic for the fact that all you need to do is literally walk around to earn money. Now, the thing is though, if you're going to be purely basing your experience on just walking, it's going to take you probably a month or two to be able to cash out $10 on Winwalk, which here in Australia was the minimum cash out. But thankfully, Winwalk also allows you to earn money by completing surveys, completing offers, and playing games. So once you mix that all in together, you'll be able to earn enough money to cash out easily within a few hours on Winwalk. But you will need to wait around 5 days or so to be able to cash out your money, as your account needs to verify. So keep that in mind. But the earning process was so simple. And with instant cash outs, you cannot go wrong. Next on the list is Atapol. Atapol is one of those daily survey applications that I recommend everyone has in their earning routine, just because if you check back every single day, you'll find new surveys that pay up to around $2.30 max. And the best thing about Atapol is that they pay instantly, everyone. They also support gift cards as well and Revol. It all depends on really where you're cashing out from essentially, but I always cash out with the PayPal method. Atapol has never ever skipped a beat when it came to payments, and to me, it is probably still one of the highest ranking, if not the highest ranking survey application available right now. If you have the time, definitely check it out. Next up, we have Freecash. Freecash is a fantastic way to earn real life money literally by completing surveys and completing offers. Now, if you didn't know, Freecash probably has some of the most extensive and multiple ways to cash out I think I've seen on a money-making platform in recent memory. I've had no problems with Freecash so far, and as long as I have a good experience, I'm going to keep on recommending them. In general, their surveys pay at least $1 USD each, and you can get way more high-paying surveys if you scout around for them. They have so many different offer providers with a coin-based system where 1,000 coins equals $1 USD. And you can find offers that reward you with literally like 100,000 coins, which translates into $100 USD. Freecash also allows for instant cash out at a certain account level. Last time I checked, I could have sworn I saw it was around level 55 instant cash outs are unlocked. But until then, a moderator will have to approve your withdrawals, which usually take around 24 hours. But Freecash is such an easy platform to earn on. They've paid me out instantly every single time. For any crypto lovers out there, up next we have Cointoply. If you want to earn cryptocurrency from your mobile phone, I definitely recommend you check out Cointoply. Cointoply is one of those applications that allows you to earn multiple cryptocurrencies by completing offers, playing games, and completing surveys. Plus, they have a very large community if you guys want to get involved with chat rooms. Cointopply generally pays out within 1 to 2 days. I've never had a problem with that platform either. The thing about Cointopply is though, I know it's not for everyone, okay? Because not everyone wants to earn cryptocurrency, but I'm sure there's someone out there that wants to earn crypto right now watching, they can earn cryptocurrency for free. So Cointopply is definitely one of my top picks for that reason. It is super simple as well to earn your cryptocurrency with all the methods available. Next on the list is Cash 'Em All. Cash 'Em All allows you to earn PayPal currency just by playing games. Whether or not that means you have to either complete levels or you just literally open up the application and then it starts earning automatically for the time you spend in the application, that completely depends on your country. So that's something to keep in mind here, but Cash 'Em All offers PayPal currency and iTunes currency, at least here in Australia. I've always been paid out by Cash 'Em All every time I've tested the application. It roughly arrives within 2 days or so after being requested. Cash 'Em All is probably as easy as it's gonna get. You literally either have 2 options, as I mentioned, on ways to earn. I definitely recommend it if you want to get started with earning money through playing games. It's probably one of the most beginner-friendly applications there is. Next up is Mistplay. Mistplay to me is probably one of the oldest, I think, money-making applications I've covered on the channel, and I have to keep on recommending it, even though I do have some disclaimers here, okay? Mistplay allows you to earn money just literally by playing games. And what I mean by that is that as soon as you open up the application, you start earning currency that then you can exchange into real life money via gift cards. Now, the problem I have with Mistplay is that it's super strict when it comes to its cash out. What I mean by super strict is that they'll need face verification and probably identification as well via your ID, address, postcode, all this crazy strictness just to cash out a few dollars. I do not find that necessary at all. Other money-making applications do not have this level of strictness. I understand face identification, but to need someone's ID or address, it just seems so extensive for $5 or $10. And I know for a fact people think the same way, because if you look at Mistplay's rating, it's starting to go down big time from when it first started. If it wasn't for that strict system, Mistplay would be such a better application, but it does still pay the players, which is good to see. It's just you have to jump through hoops now to get it. Their payouts are generally within 2 days as well. Next up, we have Golf Cash. Golf Cash to me is such a fantastic application for what it is, okay? All it is literally a little golf ball, and you have to control the golf ball and get it to the end of the golf course. Now, you will earn money after you complete a certain amount of these golf courses, but the way you actually are able to cash out the money is by playing third-party applications to earn vouchers, okay? So what ends up happening is that you play this little golf game to unlock the PayPal cash outs that keep going up and up and up the further along you get into the game. But then if you ever want to cash them out, you have to play the third-party games, which will then earn you vouchers, which are based on playtime rewards. So all you need to do is open the games up and play them for a certain amount of time, earn the vouchers, and then you can cash out your PayPal currency. Golf Cash has paid me out multiple times, guys, within 1 to 2 days. Definitely try this one out if you want to have some fun while earning some cash. Next up, we have Easy Rewards. Easy Rewards' name does live up to itself, okay? It is very easy to actually earn enough currency to cash out on Easy Rewards. They have an in-game coin-based system. You have to earn enough coins to then obviously cash out multiple different types of currencies depending on where you live. They also, of course, have gift cards as well. Easy Rewards will allow you to actually earn via completing surveys, playing games, and completing offers. Every time I've used Easy Rewards, I haven't had a drama with it, and it is a super easy way to earn, in my honest opinion. They do pay roughly within about 2 to 3 days after requesting your cash out. Last but not least, we have Ysense. Ysense is such a high-paying application. Ysense allows you to earn real-life money by completing surveys, playing games, and completing offers. They pay such a high amount though, depending of course on where you live, but here in Australia I had no complaints with the amount of currency you can earn through Y-Cents. Y-Cents generally pays within about 1 week after you ask for your cash out, so you can expect it not to be instant, but they will pay you. And I can tell you now, it is extremely easy to earn on Y-Cents, okay? If you check back on their surveys every single few hours, you can easily rack up at least $10 to $20 worth of currency, depending on the day. If you're into completing surveys and completing offers, definitely check out Y-Cents. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch you all tomorrow. Stay safe. See you later.